come and do a ride along.
So I'd encourage anyone to do a ride along.
I would definitely say come do a ride along.
There's a ride along form on our website that you can do a ride along if you're willing to see the things that we do see in EMS sometimes. You do have to be prepared if you're going to do a ride along.
Because a ride along, you actually come on calls with us and you can see exactly what's happening.
Ride-alongs are a fantastic opportunity for you not only to see the medical care that we provide, but see the other members that exist at this agency and all the diversity and all the excitement that having different mindsets and different ideologies can bring to your experience in medicine and within the community.
And there's no better experience than to actually see it. That way you can make your determination as to whether or not this is for you. We hope that it is.
Come see what our facility is like, come tour, come look at an open house. We are here 24/7.
You can go to our website and you can sign up for a ride along whenever it best suits you. Come prepared, because we're not going to take you on a fake call. We're going to take you on a real call. So you're going to get to see exactly what we get to see.